Body parts of animals and birds. Body parts of cow: horn, ear, body, tail, hoof, leg, mouth, nose, eye. Body part of camel: ear, hump, body, tail, hoof, leg, neck, mouth, nose, eye. Body part of turtle: head, nostril, mouth, shell, tail, leg, neck, mandible, eye. Body parts of rat: head, ear, whisker, body, leg, tail, mouth, nose, eyes. Body parts of bear: head, ear, body, leg, paw, claw, fur, mouth, nose, and eye. Body parts of sheep: head, ear, body, tail, hoof, leg, mouth, nose, eye. Body parts of zebra: ear, mane, body, tail, hoof, leg, chest, muzzle, eye. Body parts of ostrich: beak, neck, body, leg, wings, eye. Body parts of stork: eye, head, wings, feather, tail, leg, body, neck, beak. Body parts of eagle: head, wings, feather, tail, claws, body, beak. Body parts of whale: blowhole, mouth, ventral pits, flipper, eye, dorsal fin, fluke. Body parts of crocodile: head, body, tail, scaly skin, leg, belly, tooth, nostril, long snout. Body parts of dragonfly: abdomen, antenna, thorax, eye, wings. Body parts of chicken: comb, eye, beak, wattle, tail, wing, leg, breast, head.